morning and welcome back again to the Crafty Hook. I have to laugh this morning because I was going back kind of checking a few of the videos that I've currently put out for all of you, and for some reason I was saying the crochet hook. So welcome to the Crafty Hook, and my name is Nona and I am the creator of the channel. I want to welcome you all today. Those of you that currently are following the videos and kind of seeing that we're currently working on remodels of our house, kind of getting all the rooms set up. This here is my office slash craft room, and I just kind of wanted to go around and kind of show you what I've done in here so far. Now the painting in here hasn't been done yet. We're not sure if we're going to keep this color or if we're going to kind of go with a different theme, because I really like the way it's set up right now. But I want to go ahead and kind of walk around with you and kind of show you what I call the work in progress. So let's get started. Okay, as I stated, this is still a work in progress, but I got bored yesterday and I kind of came in here and thought, okay, I got to do some rearranging in here. This used to be one of my youngest daughter's room, and of course they all moved out, so we kind of turned it into an office slash craft area, and I pulled some shelving out that I had in my kitchen. I was going to give it away or sell it, but I decided it would work better in here. So this is the shelf that used to be in my kitchen. I used to put like the coffee pot. This was my little coffee caddy is what I used to call it. And it had like these little hooks here. These little hooks on it. And I thought, you know what? This would be perfect to hang all of my knitting looms on. So I kind of brought it in, pulled all my knitting looms out, and got them all organized and hung up on there. Kind of put the longer ones, I kind of just stacked on top there, and then just kind of went from there with the theme on that. And then I had an old bookshelf in the garage, and thought, okay, this would be perfect to start putting my yarn. Now, I haven't pulled all of my yarn out yet. I do have a lot. But I pulled mainly my main ones that I work with. Kind of went from there. All my hobby and my premiere and everything on there. I got like all of my crafting books. Been kind of stocking up on my pattern and crafting books. I do take professional pictures sometimes for like the holidays, so kind of been studying up on the photography, but these are like all my crochet books. I used to have, which I need to get started again. I had a subscription that I had every month. I got a magazine of different crochet patterns, and I've actually made quite a few out of them. I was really pleased with them. But yeah, I kind of went with that. As a matter of fact, the yarn I showed on the last video, this is one of them from Hobby, the scarf that I had knitted on the loom knit. This is actually called a garter stitch, and this, I did not change colors. This is exactly how that yarn panned out. As I stated, absolutely beautiful. And then this was another one from Premiere. This is the Premiere, I think it's called Color Fusion, that I did. This is actually one of the very first loom projects that I had ever made, and I held on to. So that's pretty much kind of part of my yarn storage and my crafting books and things like that I have there so far. So this wall here, I haven't framed. This is a Tweety bird that I did a couple months ago back from Diamond Art Club that I did. I don't think they have this pattern anymore, but I'm not sure. I haven't framed it yet. I kind of just recently sealed it and I just kind of stuck it to the wall to dry. And then, of course, the Painting the Moon from Diamond Art as well. That one is done and framed. So I'm still kind of deciding. Still kind of deciding this wall. I think I'm actually, if I paint in here, I know for sure I'm going to change the color of this wall. But I'm still actually going through a lot of my stuff in here. I have like a couple bags there sitting of yarn still, and then not sure where I'm going to do with my globe yet, but that's kind of my closet disaster that I'm still working with. And of course, little Zoe, she's got her little kennel there. That's where she sleeps at night. And then our other little sidekick over there. And then that was my decor over my desk there. I love butterflies. Butterflies are, they're kind of something in our family. And there's a lot of us that just remember the story about the butterflies. And of course my work area here. Kind of where I do some of my projects, the work that I do during the day and that. So as I stated, I do have a holiday giveaway. I'm giving 2 rolls of the yarn away. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put that in the description below as well. And you can definitely check out that video right here. That is my giveaway for the holiday. I'm giving 2 rolls, as I stated. 2 of the Premier Bloom chunky yarn. This is the yarn that creates its own pattern, as I had showed in the previous video. So I'm giving 2 rolls of this away to a lucky winner on New Year's Eve. So that video will probably come out on New Year's Day as to who the winner is. So definitely check that out. So yeah, all of that was the video I had done for you today. Just kind of showing you the progress of where I'm at with the decorating of the craft room / office. So I hope you all enjoyed the video today. I hope you all are having a wonderful Friday. And we will catch you all on the next video. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. See you next time.